Welcome to the student of class 12 Bardhaman Model School. In the last class, I have discussed about the solid state. Today is the new topics alcohol, phenol and ether. You know the general formula of alcohol is ROH. ROH. R is the alkyl group. OH is the functional group. In alcohol, say CH3OH. The carbon atom is sp3 hybridization. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridization. It forms 4 bond. This carbon 4 hybrid orbital. One hybrid orbital forms sigma bond with hydrogen atom. Another forms sigma bond with hydrogen atom. Another sigma bond with hydrogen atom. The fourth hybrid orbital forms a sigma bond with the oxygen atom. So in alcohol, the carbon oxygen bond is sp3 sigma bond. sp3 sigma bond. Now what is the UPAC name of alcohol? Say this compound CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2OH. What will be name of this alcohol? Number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the root word pent 2 in 1 all. This will be the UPAC name of this compound. What will be UPAC name of this compound? CH3 whole 3 COH. What will be UPAC name for this compound? You first break this compound in this way, 3 CH3 and 1 OH, 1, 2, 3. So it is 2-methyl propan 2 all. This will be 2-methyl propan 2 all. If we consider this compound OH, what is the name of this compound? Cyclopentanol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is cyclopentanol. This compound is called cyclopentanol. Say this compound benzene ring, 6-member ring, not benzene ring, OH Br. What will be name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 bromo cyclohex 2 in 1 all. 3 bromo cyclohex 2 in 1 all. So these will be some UPAC name of this compound. Now first study about the classification of alcohol. So first study classification of alcohol. Classification of alcohol. Now on the basis of number of hydroxyl group, that is OH group present in the compound, alcohol are 3 types. Monohydric alcohol which contain only one OH group, dihydric alcohol which contain 2 OH group, and polyhydric alcohol which contain more than 2 OH. So alcohol on the basis of number of OH group, alcohol are 3 types. Monohydric alcohol. Monohydric means which contain only one OH group. For example, CH3OH, C2H5OH, CH3CHOH, CH3, all these compounds contain one OH group. So this is monohydric alcohol. Methanol, ethanol, propan 2 all. Next, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. It contains 2 OH group. Say CH2OH, CH2OH. Ethylene glycol or ethane 1,2-diol. CH2OH, CH2OH. propan 1,3-diol. These are called dihydric alcohol because they contain 2 OH group. Or another classification, polyhydric alcohol. So next is polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol means which contain more than 2 OH group. Say this compound CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is called glycerol or propan 1,2,3-triol. The name of this compound is propan 1,2,3-triol. Propan 1,2,3-triol, polyhydric alcohol. Or this compound CH2OH, CHOH whole 4, CH2OH. This is called sorbitol. Sorbitol, 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 contains 6 OH group. So these are on the basis of OH group, alcohol are 3 types: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and polyhydric alcohol. This monohydric alcohol again are 3 types. One is called primary alcohol, another is called secondary alcohol, another is tertiary alcohol. If OH group attached to the primary carbon atom, say CH3OH, methanol, ethanol, propan-1-ol, then it is called primary alcohol. If OH group attached to the secondary carbon atom, then it is called secondary alcohol. And when OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then it is called tertiary alcohol. So monohydric alcohol again primary alcohol. Primary, this is called 1 degree. Secondary, this is called 2 degree. And tertiary. Primary alcohol example, say CH3OH, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2OH. The OH group attached to the primary carbon in all case. Secondary alcohol, say CH3CHOH, CH3, propan-2-ol. Here OH group attached to the carbon atom, that is secondary carbon, because this carbon is secondary carbon, because this carbon link with 2 neighboring carbon atoms, so it is secondary alcohol. Similarly, CH3CH2 CHOH, CH3, butan-2-ol, this is a secondary carbon, so this is secondary alcohol. A tertiary alcohol, say CH3 whole 3 COH, this carbon is tertiary carbon, is linked with neighboring 3 carbon atom. This is called tertiary butyl alcohol. So on the basis of carbon atom linked with OH group, this carbon atom may be primary, may be secondary, may be tertiary. So alcohol are 3 types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Another classification is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. What is allylic alcohol? If the OH group attached to the allylic carbon atom, say CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH, the carbon alcohol is attached to the allylic carbon, means carbon-carbon double bond next carbon. This is called allylic carbon. Here OH group attached to this carbon, so this is called allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol may be again 3 types. This is primary allyl alcohol. Say this is also 1 degree, primary alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, CH3OH. OH group attached to the secondary carbon. This carbon is secondary, so this is secondary alcohol. Again CH2 double bond CH, CH3OH. OH group attached to the tertiary carbon, so this is a tertiary alcohol. So allylic alcohol again 3 types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Another example of classification is benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol, that is OH group attached to the benzylic carbon. What is benzylic carbon? The carbon atom just adjacent to the benzene ring. If carbon atom attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as benzylic carbon. Say benzene ring CH2OH. This is called benzyl alcohol. This again may be primary, secondary, and tertiary. Here the carbon atom attached to 1 carbon atom, so this is 1 degree benzyl alcohol. Another example, benzene ring CH3OH. The OH group attached to the carbon atom which link with neighboring two carbon atom, neighboring two carbon. So this is secondary. So this is called secondary benzylic alcohol. And third one, benzene ring CH3OH. The OH group attached to the carbon atom which is tertiary carbon atom. So it is called 3-degree benzylic alcohol. So benzylic alcohol again three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. So these are different classification of alcohol. In all this case, the OH group attached to the carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. OH group attached to the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Another classification where the OH group attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So another classification, OH group is attached to sp2 carbon atom. For example, vinyl alcohol CH2 double bond CHOH. This carbon is sp2. This is known as vinyl alcohol, where OH group attached to the sp2 carbon atom. Or if you consider the benzene ring, here all carbon atom is sp2. So phenol, here the OH group attached to the sp2 carbon atom. So this is another type of alcohol, that is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, the OH group attached. So these are the main classification: monohydric, where only one OH group is present; dihydric, where two OH group is present; and polyhydric, where three OH group is present. Monohydric alcohol, three or more than three, say glycerol or sorbitol, where six OH group is present. Monohydric alcohol again classified into three types. One is called primary alcohol, where the OH group attached to the carbon atom is primary carbon. Another is secondary alcohol, where OH group attached to the secondary carbon. And third one is tertiary carbon alcohol, where OH group attached to the tertiary carbon atom. So these are some classification of alcohol. Now the next, how will you prepare alcohol? So general method of preparation of alcohol. General method of preparation of alcohol. General method of preparation of alcohol. How will you prepare the alcohol? General method of preparation. Number one, alcohol is prepared from alkyl halide. Number one, from alkyl halide. You know that alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form alcohol when the halogen atom is replaced by OH group. For example, say CH3OH reacts with KOH aqueous. It forms CH3OH plus CH3Br, alkyl halide, plus KBr. This is one alcohol. Alkyl halide, the Br is replaced by a nucleophile OH, or CH3 tertiary alkyl butyl bromide plus KOH. You must write aqueous KOH, because alcoholic KOH give another. When you take the aqueous KOH, it undergoes substitution reaction. But if you take the alcoholic KOH, it undergo elimination reaction to form alkene. So what will be product? Tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3COH plus KBr. You must remember that this reaction undergo SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism, because primary, and this is tertiary, so it undergo SN1 mechanism. Tertiary butyl bromide undergo SN1 mechanism, and primary alkyl halide undergo SN2 mechanism. This is one method. Number two, reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl, what is the carbonyl compound? Aldehyde and ketone. Here you remember the aldehyde on a reduction give primary alcohol and ketone on a reduction give secondary alcohol. So reduction of carbonyl compound, aldehyde, say CH3CHO, a reducing agent, either hydrogen or nickel or NaBH4 sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. You can use any reducing agent, but these are the selective reducing agent. They can reduce the carbonyl group to alcohol but cannot reduce the multiple bond. What will be product? CH3CH2OH. So reduction of carbonyl compound, say ketone, CH3COCH3, ketone, reduction by hydrogen nickel, it gives secondary alcohol CH3CHOH So primary alcohol on reduction gives aldehyde on a reduction give primary alcohol and ketone on a reduction gives secondary alcohol. Now if you take some specific reagent like sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, consider this compound CH3CH double bond CHO, but 2 in Al, but 2 in Al. When you reduce by hydrogen and nickel, then both multiple bond, that is olefinic bond, is reduced to single bond and CHO reduced to alcohol. So product will be CH3CH2CH2OH, butan 1 all. But if you reduce by sodium borohydride, the multiple bond remain intact, CH3CH double bond CH, only the carbonyl group oxidized to alcohol, that is but 2 in all. So this is the selective reducing agent. So reduction of aldehyde and ketone give primary and secondary alcohol. The carboxylic acid and ester are also reduced. Carboxylic acid and ester are also reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. So number 3 method, reduction of carboxylic acid and ester by very important reagent lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4. Say this is an carboxylic acid RCOOH. When reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, it form RCH2OH. Or if you take the ester, say CH3COOCH3, methyl ethanoate ester, when a reduction takes place by lithium aluminum hydride reduction, what will be product? It gives 2 alcohol. One is CH3CH2OH, another is CH3OH. So reduction of carboxylic acid and ester by lithium aluminum hydride give the alcohol. Fourth method, this is the last for today class. Fourth method is the primary amine. You know the formula of primary amine, RNH2. Primary amine is reacted by dilute nitrous acid HNO2 to give alcohol. Primary amine, say CH3NH2 methylamine, primary amine reacts with nitrous acid HNO2 to give alcohol CH3OH plus nitrogen plus water. So any type of primary amine when reacts with nitrous acid it gives alcohol. But here you remember that nitrous acid cannot be stored in the laboratory. So when you want to use the nitrous acid, we take NaNO2 and HCl. Sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid react each other to form nitrous acid, and this nitrous acid reacts with primary amine to give alcohol. So these are 4 methods of preparation that I have discussed today. Number 1, from the alkyl halide, number by substitution reaction. Number 2, reduction of carbonyl compound. Number 3, reduction of carboxylic acid and ester, and number 4, primary amine. In the next class, I will discuss about another 4 methods of preparation of alcohol.